introduce myself. My name is Cynthia Triwayuni, Class 2B from Day 3 Nursing Study Program Faculty of Nursing, University of Jember, Kampus Lumajang. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang banjir seperti apa. Jadi, the morphological condition of Indonesia, namely the relief of a very varied landscape and the number of rivers following the trend, and then because flood in Indonesia every rainy season, flood generally occur in the western part of Indonesia, with receivers more rainfall than the eastern part of Indonesia. This natural condition factor is exacerbated by the increase in population within indirect triggering factor for flooding. Human behavior that does not protect the forest by crying out uncontrolled logging can also lead to an increase in surface water flow that is big and uncontrolled, resulting in environmental damage in the area of the river basin. Floods in Indonesia that occur every year are proven to have an impact on human life and the environment, especially in terms of casualty and material loss. Oke, sekarang kita ke materi yang selanjutnya. Yang tadi itu pengantar dari banjir tersebut. Di sini saya mengambil judul dengan Ready to Respond in Flood Disaster. Definition: inundation of a place due to overflowing of water which exceeds the disposal capacity of water in an area and cause physical, social, and economic losses. Cause: number 1, big rainfall. 2, overflow of river water to head rainfall upstream of the river. 3, dam collapse. 4, rising sea water or tide or rope. Number 5, tsunami in addition. Seperti gambar di samping ini. Next, vulnerability factor in a region. Number 1, inadequate precision regarding flood volume. Number 2, low drainage system capability. 3, decreased capacity of the sewer system due to low maintenance and operational capability. 4, deforestation. 5, lowering of land surface due to lower groundwater level or land subsidence. 6, climate change caused by global warming. Flood type. Number 1, dispatched flood. Flood caused by high rainfall in the upstream area of the river. Number 2, local flood. Flood that occurs to the local volume of rain that exceeds the disposal capacity of an area. Next, hazard that occur in flood. 1, public health. Skin disease, dengue fever, malaria, influenza, digestive disorders such as diarrhea, are common diseases during floods. This is because clean water for various purposes drinking, cooking, heating, and washing has been polluted due to flooding. In addition, flood water are also a breeding ground for monkeys, which are the cause of dengue fever and malaria. 2. Provision of clean water. Variant material and substances that carry various types of bacteria, virus, parasites, and other diseases during a flood can contaminate people's well and other groundwater reservoirs. Therefore, residents' well and groundwater reservoirs then were flooded for the time being could not be used. 3. Food reservoirs. In agricultural area, flooding can cause crop failure, damage food reservoir in warehouses, and possibly damage seed stock. Inundation of pond due to flooding can also result in fish loss. In addition, flooding also causes damage to land for development and availability of animal feed. Next, government prepared for food disaster. 1. Put up a warning sign on a low bridge so that people do not pass it during a flood. 2. Prepare for emergency during flood, such as equipment for resource measures. For example, rubber boat, vessel and tools, supplies of staple material needed in emergency response conditions, staple food, medicine, clean water, blankets, cooking utensils for evacuation site, etc. IGPC 2005. 3. Planning for an evacuation. This is related to coordination with one another who does what during an emergency and how to save oneself to a safe place, or determining evacuation route and evacuation site, and conducting evacuation drills. 4. Organizing a security system in an emergency, especially rooms for those who have been displaced. Next, citizen prepared for food disaster. 1. Placing electronic goods, water heaters, panels, meter, and electrical equipment, and global must land certificate in high place, not reached by flood. 2. Prepare an address or phone number that is important to contact. 3. Provide item is emergency net when entering the rain season. 4. Move household items such as furniture to a higher place. 5. Keep important documents in a high waterproof and safe place. Activity preparation, initial measurement, training, institutional plan, information system, resource center, warning system, response mechanism, community training and education. Last one, practice. Thank you. Okay, everybody. Any question for material? Any question?
Me.
Okay.
Yes. I want to ask point activity and preparation. Number 8, community training and education. What does it mean like?
Okay. For example, taking additional lesson or additional study and training tutorial institution from from various types or type of disaster knowledge program. Those who are expert the treat of a disaster socially and know what to expect and what to do when a disaster arrives. It is advisable for the facilitator of the warning system training and education program to also study the habit and program that exist in the local community as well as the possibility of difference or conflict that occur in implementing that plan. Next, any question?
Yes. The question.
Okay.
My name is Dadin.
Yes.
I want to ask at point citizen preparedness for flood disaster. Number 3, profit item of emergency needs when entering the rain season.
Okay.
What should be prepared?
Okay, I can answer. Okay, thank you for question. So, prepared should already use medication, food drink, from clothes and clothes, fast light, candle, record, voice, serious in cars or item that can put proper and matter. Bagaimana?
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, now I will ask to participant.
Okay.
Okay. Number 1, what is the definition of a flood?
Definition of flood is inundation of place due to overflowing of water which exceed the disposal capacity of water in an area and cause physical, social, and economic losses.
Okay, thank you. What's your name?
Nadiratul Mukarramah.
Okay, thank you. Next, number 2, cause of flooding.
Okay. Number 1, high rainfall.
Yes.
2, overflow of river water due to high rainfall upstream of the river. 3, dam collapse. 4, rising sea water, tide or rock. 4, tsunami in attention.
Okay, thank you. Dengan Mr. Dadin.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Last number 3, repeat activity what to do.
Initial measurement, planning, institution plan, information system, research center, warning system, response machine, community training and education, practice.
Okay, thank you for your attention and cooperation for taking the time for this counseling. I hope this material can be useful for all of us. I end discussion for counseling. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.